Let's be real, crypto these days feels like the Wild West. Rug pulls, meme coin scams, fake hype. It's getting harder and harder to figure out what's actually worth investing in, especially for short-term plays. So in this video, I did the digging for you. After hours of research and tracking market momentum, here are the top 3 coins to watch for short-term gains in 2025. Real potential, real catalysts. Let's jump in. First up is Render, a project that's riding the AI wave harder than almost anything else in the space. Render lets users rent out GPU power to creators and AI developers. With the insane demand for GPU processing, especially from AI tools, Render is becoming a key player behind the scenes. It already had a solid run, but with Nvidia heating up again and AI tokens catching fire, RNDR could see another short-term spike, especially if another partnership or tech upgrade drops. Next up is Arbitrum, the leading layer 2 on Ethereum. Right now, Ethereum fees are spiking, and that's pushing users and developers onto Arbitrum. It's fast, cheap, and has a booming DeFi ecosystem. Plus, there's speculation around new utility for the ARB token, and any major governance proposal or dApp launch could send this flying in the short term. And finally, we've got Caspa, a high-speed, proof-of-work project that's been gaining serious momentum in crypto communities. It's not just hype. The tech behind Caspa is impressive. It's using a unique block DG structure that allows blocks to be confirmed insanely fast, with no need for complex layer 2 scaling. Miners love it. Traders love it. And with new exchange listings on the horizon, this coin has real short-term pump potential. Now remember, short-term trades mean short-term risk. None of these are guaranteed wins. But if you're smart with your entries and track the right news, these 3 coins could deliver some solid flips in this crazy market. Let me know in the comments if you're holding any of these, or if there's another coin you think is about to explode. This is Crypto Chronicles, where we break down the real plays in crypto, so you don't get lost in the noise. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.